Like it's sad to see amabhasi ashayisana so, but it's the first. When was the last time when you saw taxi drivers in an accident and they said the taxi driver died? They're always there to tell the story. But I'm not the taxi incident. Then it's a prayer. 15 people died. And I got a scratch. It's a prayer. I keep phone. Full mechanic. Spirit. Hey, Brigland. I beg a bonding. I beg a bonding. I was just telling my Zulu. I was showing. When was the last time about taxi drivers accident? I'm about to say so. Shy is a better Puma. I said, Puma, yes, I'm better. What yes, I'm a logo. So to Bam, I say happy. No Torella. Where about your fellow? I call this up. In the way, come in the call this up. But letting you come in a cover. We are coming yesterday the same day. You know, be naughty. Fang up. Ungabulala eyes of a pump. I got promise. Ungabulala die of a pump. I bring I pull up. Ngelang ubulele 44 yabantu 44 one day endlini mamuzo bangena emsebenzini hayi okujwayelekile vela abathaba bashiye babondile bashaya abanye bangena emfuleni basuye bake bashona wena unjani baba lutho nje vela thinya nje inyawo awuna ibiyam la manje lethi nyama betonke nje la manje fufu senhle manje mathali load section ngibeke yona yesibili ke ngizabona ukuthi ngenzani ngayo makuvumele ke ngishaya ebondeni Thembisa lotho mina ngithembisa lotho ke angangenda umuntu ingani ukuthi abantu bangafaka impahla ezinkulu ukuthi mabashayisa uba ngathi bafaka ama life jacket mina ngiphelele impilo nami ngizwa umsebenzi mawuba usezakho ukufa ifaka ngithi mina ufelani fela bani nje ngakhuba la nje ngoDisemba odlule babathi kufa abantu abo-6000 u4000 wami ngedwa mabaphatha nje ngafa ungabhatalanga ayizaphi ngaphambi kwami ngimbulala nje lo hakhona uzokhuluma fast ngekwenza ngayikhona that's true ukuphi saphila obavalile hayi phuma bangabulala lapha anizwe ngihlele taxini simangafika eNewcastle akeke ufike nifike eNewcastle hayi ufike eNewcastle fuba mfowethu ngapha enzansi wena ngihamba ngenyawo ngoba ikhombi ibulala ikhombi fire one ushaya bondeni osendile yena okelapha lo ngoba ubambuza iTV news so what happened ubuza mina nawe uphuke nyabuza la beziphuza imbiza mina ngathi ngishilo mfazi endlini ngiphuza imbiza ukuthi ngiqine manje uqine aje manje umuntu phambi amehlo awulala ibhasi ngathi lotho le bhasa le ngivem ngemva kwani ayibhliki ukuthi ngimtshalile ungobe sokuthi ayibhliki le ayishaya ibhasi ayishaya ibhasi bekumele phandle ngibabukele bandizanga labantu phuma bandizanga bonke baphansi phezulu i-ambulance nje ngiyibukele le bangibuza ukuthi kwazi ngithi ngezelaphi babe iphuzeni bizami usheba ngibona ibhasi kodwa angaphuma base badizanga abantu bamemeza abanye babiza omama bawa ngisho nje mina uphemini imboza yami lo ngiyadlala
You are lucky you have a car. There is no taxi you are going to get.
I think we're going to get now, but the Shut up, I'm full collection of it. Put the candle could have been over by say yard.